Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that you need to know when to grow because if you know when to grow, you know you're going to make it. And if you don't know when to grow, you're going to feel low, okay? Because you're just not going to know what's happening. You're not going to know why people are not responding. You're not going to understand exactly what it takes to move forward, okay? It wasn't until I really got someone to take a step back and look at my business and say, oh, wow. You have something very great here. Your community is relatively small right now, but if you were to get it to X point and you were to change up the topics a little bit, you're going to be able to grow a lot faster. That I started moving forward and understanding that I needed to do X, Y, and Z to start reaching my goals a lot faster. But it wasn't until someone took a look and told me what I needed to do and alerted me that I was in a prime position to start growing that I realized that I could actually do it. The same thing with you. I want you to go join our free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where we can help each other and I can give you step-by-step instruction towards moving and getting to your goals faster. If that's what you've been searching for, someone to walk you through step-by-step how to do this, go join that group. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. See you later.